Now, your next big idea is just a chat away from being fully automated. Meet Maia by Make, your coworker for AI and automation. Chat to Maia to build and master automated workflows and AI agents at speed. Watch the reasoning unfold. The flow gets mapped and configured. Every decision and action is visible. And if something needs adjusting, just tell her. Maia refines. You stay in control. And just like that, see your ideas come to life as a working reality. That's Maia today, and soon she'll do even more, understanding your entire AI and automation landscape and suggesting solutions. Start building AI automations with Maia by Make today.